The quality of the air we breathe is one of the most important aspects of our health and well-being, especially when we spend most of our time in the office. We live in a world where the demand for specialized filtration is getting higher. Our atmosphere around the workplace may contain gaseous chemicals that make it critical for companies to use specialized filtration for more adequate indoor air quality, or IAQ. In the years ahead, it will continue to be more important than ever before for large corporations and building owners to invest in the proper filtration solutions for their HVAC systems. Here at AirReps, we have a custom solution for every HVAC problem, including filtration. Gas phase filtration helps remove harmful gases in the air coming into your workplace. This applies to air coming into your facility, which brings in outside pollution, as well as contaminants released by the processes inside. Not only does gas phase filtration improve the IAQ, but it also allows you to eliminate odors and protects your equipment against corrosion that is harmful to the people within your building. An activated carbon air filter consists of a bed of carbon encased in a mesh-like material. These filters remove gaseous compounds from the air. Molecules such as odors and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, are very small and will slip through your standard air filter. Activated carbon filters trap these molecules and remove them from the air in your building. As air flows through a carbon filter, all the molecules in the air also pass through the filter, and they pass through the activated carbon. Some of the molecules become trapped in the carbon due to adsorption, which happens when a particle gets stuck to the surface of the filter. This is an important concept to understand for carbon-based filters. The more available surface area, the better chance that a particle will have to get stuck to the filter. In this case, bigger is better. Adsorption is like absorption, but there is one distinct difference. Adsorption happens when a particle gets stuck to the surface of the material. Absorption happens when a particle gets stuck inside the material. Something to note is that there is no particle filtration. Activated carbon filters are not designed to remove dust, pollen, and air particles found in your building. Therefore, you still need to use your tried and true MERV air filter. However, there are some MERV-rated filters that incorporate a layer of activated carbon into their structure. It's practically a two-in-one system, but it is recommended to separate them. UV light can kill bacteria, viruses, and other harmful airborne contaminants. These lights are used frequently in hospitals, labs, and other areas where sterilization is essential. So, what are UV lights? Ultraviolet with the wavelength form of electromagnetic radiation, with a shorter wavelength than visible light. The rays can kill microorganisms on the surface of any object by penetrating their cellular walls and destroying both nucleic acid and DNA, which essentially deactivates bacteria. You can use UV lights in your system to clean the ductwork. There are two types of UV light for HVAC: air sanitizing and coil sanitizing. The coil sanitizing light is installed next to the heat pump's evaporator coil. The evaporator coil is a place where the refrigerant absorbs heat and creates condensation. The humid environment can promote mold growth and reduce the efficiency of your system. The return vents and ducts can also be fitted with air sanitizing lamps. A benefit of UV lights in your system includes improved indoor air quality, or IAQ. Studies show that IAQ can be improved by using UV lights. UV light can also reduce VOCs, which cause unpleasant odors from smoking, chemicals, and industrial equipment. UV light is not a direct replacement of a filter. It works best when paired with an air filter upgrade. Systems with a HEPA-rated air filter can trap tiny particles 0.1 microns or smaller in size, such as mold spores. This addition will allow your filter system to trap harmful contaminants before you must rely on UV light to destroy them. If you don't allow your system to filter out the bad air, you become the filter. As wildfire events increase in the US, it is imperative to keep our indoor air quality, IAQ, clean. Outdoor air, including fine particles from wildfire smoke, can enter your building in a few ways: through open windows and doors, which is known as natural ventilation, through mechanical ventilation devices, such as exhaust fans or outside air damper openings that vent to the outdoors, or through small openings, joints, cracks, and around closed windows and doors through a process called infiltration. Well-operated buildings play a critical role in protecting people from the harmful impacts of heat and smoke. Facilities managers can be crucial to practical smoke and heat mitigation strategies. including upgrading the filtration system for proper operation during poor air quality events. Efforts should focus on preventing outside smoke from entering the building, by keeping the building positively pressurized. By keeping the building pressurized, it keeps the harmful air from coming in. If you're looking for a specific solution for your building or business, get in touch with our team at AirReps today.